Hey guys, welcome to another vlog of Automat. Today I am back at the Autodrome. Today I am at the ending of it, I would say. There's like an autocross event happening at the back. So it's damn fun to see this. I hope thank you so much for all the support in the last few vlogs. It means a lot to me. Today let's go check out some cars, and yes, also there's a drag meet happening here at the other side. So the plan is to go there after the event, like after seeing the track event here, because the drag event is also going to be a lot of fun. There are going to be a lot of cars there too. So let's head in and take some content of let's do a quick B-roll of all the cars here and shift to the autocross.
Sin pero, sin pero, sin
But we officially are starting this. There used to be a thing called Auto X back in the days, and we're just bringing it back.
Got it.
We're bringing back history, and we're going to continue that history, throughout the whole.
That's absolutely amazing.
The thing is, Gridmasters as a company. Now, initially, I used to run UAE Time Attack, which is what came to Gridmasters later on. So I was the GM. I had a team members of two. There's Arnie over there, and the other guy, the big chubby guy, Zane, who's somewhere over here. Anyways, they used to work with me. Yeah, so they used to work with me in UAE Time Attack as sponsors and whatnot and everything, and I used to manage that. And then, sadly, that company had some problems or whatever it was, so we had to continue the legacy of Time Attack.
Absolutely.
So we opened Gridmasters. After opening Gridmasters, we all sat down and we're like, listen, we're not just going to be doing Time Attack, we're going to be a motorsports hub event company in the region. So that we do everything related to motorsport. So we even did sim racing, we did in the UAE Time Attack, we did the sim racing. Now we're doing autocross with Gridmasters, we're doing the Time Attack. We're going to plan to do rolling drag races as well here at the Autodrome. So we're getting there. Plus also, because I've been in the game for a while, we have good tie-ups with Yasmin and Dubai Autodrome. So these are two partners of the venues that we're using to do all these events. And eventually, we're aiming to the sky.
Inshallah.
But of course, you got to go step by step to get there.
So in this autocross event, there were probably like 6 rounds, I'm not sure. There will be 6 rounds, and the best timing of the person who has faster gets first, second and third. That's the whole concept now. My main motive was to come and check out some cool cars, which I did. And now I am going to be heading to the drag meet because there are going to be more cool cars there. guys enjoyed watching the autocross event and checking out the cars. And I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Till next time, cheers.